2
पाकिस्तान सुपर लीग के पहले एडिशन में दुनिया भर के बहुत बड़े स्टार्स मौजूद हैं और जब स्टार्स की बात हो रही है तो शायद ही क्रिकेट की तारीख में इससे बड़ा स्टार आया हो और वो स्टार इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद है द मेंटर ऑफ कोयटा ग्लैडिएटर द वन एंड ओनली विवियन रिचर्ड्स वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू डॉन न्यूज विव
Thank you
pleasure
so
to
much.
have you here
Thank you so much.
and pleasure to have you here in the Pakistan Super League as the mentor for Koita Gladiators. How does it feel?
Oh, it's a great feeling. Everyone thinks that when Viv is here that everything is okay or whatever, but Viv can only be as good as the players. And the players have been magnificent. The camaraderie has been great. There's some special talent around. I enjoy working with such individuals. And as I said, we are a family. And I'm looking forward to us finishing this tournament in the best way possible.
Fantastic. And obviously Pakistan and Viv, they go a long way because I remember you had so many tours in the 80s, so many cracking battles with Pakistan, right in the West Indies also, right in Pakistan also. Imran Khan, can you recall those days, the 80s basically?
Well, what I can tell you is that when we were a team and the way we played over the years, we were very successful. The only team that would have always given us problem and very problematic for the West Indies would have been Pakistan. You had a great leader in Imran Khan, Javed Miandad. I've always felt no one wear the flag of Pakistan better than Javed Miandad. He is a very special person, very good friend of mine, and I'm rather surprised really that he's not somewhere in the setup.
But yes, hopefully he will be there again. But Imran, your battles with Imran, how do you recall them? Since Imran has a great respect for you, and I read somewhere that the two of you champions in both your respective fields, but you had mutual respect.
Every time, Imran, I think his knowledge of the game was very special. As a competitor, he's one of the best that I've ever competed against. And as I said, we've had numerous battles, but the most important thing, after all these wars that we would have fought, at the end of the day, we were still able to shake hands and say hello and still remain good friends. That I think it's very special.
Just to wind up the Pakistan topic here, there has been no international cricket unfortunately since 2009, but obviously people, your huge fan base would love to see Viv come to Karachi, Lahore, Rawalpindi, Islamabad, Koita even. Any thoughts of that at all?
Whenever, over the years, I've always felt that if you need to be the best, you had to perform in all different conditions. And we never took a backward step from going to Pakistan. We always appreciate going to other parts of the world, the respect that we have for the culture. We never took a backward step from going to Pakistan. We always appreciate going to other parts of the world. The respect that we have for the culture is 100 or more percent. And because of these reasons, we have always enjoyed playing in this part of the world, and to have met some magnificent cricketers that would have come out of Pakistan. You know, Pakistan would have graced the world with some of the very best cricketers the world would have seen. So, in future, if the possibilities are great, why not? I'll be looking forward to being part in Pakistan again. Why? Because I just think that Pakistan needs to get itself back playing cricket in Pakistan, because I know what it must be like for the Pakistan players themselves playing away from home. It's like you're in exile. So if they get at home and in front of their own home fans, it will be of great value, I think, not just to the Pakistani fans themselves, but the players.
Two very small questions. If you're offered the head coach job in Pakistan, Viv, what would your feelings be?
I'll never ever decline from anything. You know, I guess you have Waka Yunus, you know, who have been a legend where Pakistan cricket is concerned. From sitting from the other side of the fence, I can only think that he have done a magnificent job so far. It's always tough when you're away from home all the time, and people must take this and all that stuff into consideration. But I'm quite willing to work anywhere. I'm quite willing to be part of any setup, as I believe that at 63 I still have a lot to offer in terms of the mental side of things and the knowledge that I think the game executes today. I think I'd be of some value somewhere.
Great. And the Crash Bang and Wallop format, where Chris Gayle has scored 1600s in various T20 tournaments, games. What about Viv Richards? How many he would have got?
I'm, you know, it's tough for you to say. You know, what I'm very pleased about is to see the game itself and where it's at, and the enjoyment that the players get and the rewards that they're getting. I'm very pleased with that, because if you would have played in games before, you want to see the sport that you would have played in benefits. And I'm just happy for the guys today, and I'm hoping that they do have respect for that, and knowing that the game is still spelled the same regardless of how much you earn.
Absolutely. Real pleasure, Viv. And on behalf of Pakistani fans and I'm sure cricket followers, real pleasure and really indebted to you that you've taken time out for Pakistan Super League.
Thank you so much.
क्रिकेट के बादशाह विव रिचर्ड्स की गुफ्तगू आपने सुनी, और इनका कहना है कि पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट की जब भी कहीं भी जरूरत होगी मदद की, विव रिचर्ड्स हाजिर होंगे। इमाद हमीद, डॉन न्यूज़, दुबई।